Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize a column without affecting another cells in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to resize a column without affecting another cells. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the insert menu. Then click the table option and insert a table. Then resize the table. Then zoom in the document. Now we want to resize a column without affecting in another cells. Click the line and show the icon. Then move the icon and we can see we resize column without affecting another cells. We try some another columns. We can see we resize the columns without affecting another cell. Select the all rows and columns, go to the table design menu, then click borders drop down menu and choose all borders. See the table better. Now we can see we resize a column without affecting another cells, this publisher document table, very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.